TramGo is a new light rail project set to be completed in 2035 that will connect Gatineau's rapidly growing suburban West End to the downtowns of Gatineau and Ottawa. The route will cross the Ottawa River and allow transfers between the existing bus rapid transit and light rail systems in the region. The project will be an important link in the National Capital Region, which is the fourth largest metropolitan area in Canada. The new line aims to meet growing mobility needs by providing reliable, frequent, and sustainable service to its users. The tramway will be fully electric and operate as frequently as every 3 minutes during peak hours. Of the route's 24 total kilometers, 22 kilometers will be in Quebec and 2 kilometers will be in Ontario. It's a unique project because it will be the first rapid transit system to connect two Canadian provinces, and is an important test run in interprovincial collaboration as Canada prepares to build high-speed rail on the Toronto-Quebec City corridor. Inconsistencies in the funding timetables have already begun in the planning phase, with federal and Quebec governments having agreed to share the cost to complete studies in June 2024, while Ontario only received funding in early March 2025. As the project continues, we will have to keep our eyes peeled to see how interjurisdictional cooperation plays out. One of the explicit goals of the project is to reduce urban sprawl and increase densification. However, if this project is to realize this goal and transform Western Gatineau from a car-dependent suburb to a neighborhood where people actually want to take the train, big changes in the built environment are needed. Increased density, diversity of uses, and pedestrian-friendly design. Otherwise, TramGo risks becoming an underutilized LRT project like its counterparts in Houston or Norfolk, Virginia. Fortunately, Gatineau has incorporated the tramway into its land use plan. The plan calls for increased density around future stations, improvements to bike and pedestrian infrastructure along the route, and the creation of a mixed-use access along Boulevard des Allumetières. This plan is a good first step, however it does not go far enough. The route, which runs along highways, going past strip malls and single-family neighborhoods, will need a lot of love and redesigning to turn it into an area where transit can rival the convenience of the car. This LRT presents an opportunity to inspire truly urban development in this region, but at present, the project is effectively a commuter rail with interspersed transit-oriented developments. So, the tram is certainly a mobility solution, but will it actually increase access to places people want to go? We'll have to wait and see.